Number 1. 1980 Ford F100, price $7,500, with 65,000 miles, finished in its original blue paint with a matching blue interior. It's powered by a carbureted 4.9L 300 inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck features manual steering and brakes, no factory AC, but the heater works well. It rides on Falken Wild Peak tires and handles highway speeds over 70 miles per hour with ease. The truck runs strong, drives reliably, and gets plenty of waves and compliments. It has expected wear for its age, including bumps, scratches, and rust on the cab corners, drip rails, and floor pans, which are covered with basic carpet and mats. Recent maintenance includes a new mechanical fuel pump, shocks, brakes, top-end gaskets, parking brake, tightened shift linkage, interior repaint, and an aftermarket dash cover. Though it leaks a little oil, this F100 remains a solid, fun-to-drive classic. Number 2. 1973 Ford F350, price $8,000, featuring an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, and a matching red interior. The truck runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title under the current owner's name. It was purchased from an older local gentleman and drove perfectly for the 30-minute trip home. However, after a few days, the original carburetor began to malfunction and started shooting out fuel. A brand new carburetor worth $400 was recently installed, and now the truck starts and sounds excellent. The engine runs strong and fires up effortlessly every time. While driving between 10 to 25 miles per hour, there is an unusual noise that may be coming from the drivetrain or suspension, though the exact cause is uncertain. Despite this, the engine remains in very healthy condition. The truck was recently registered and has new tags, making it ready for the road. Number 3. 1993 GMC Sierra, price $8,700. This truck is in excellent condition, showing no signs of accidents or dents. It's powered by a strong 5.7L engine and features 4x4 capability, making it a dependable choice for various driving conditions. The entire front suspension has been replaced, including brand new lower and upper control arms as well as a new front axle, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Several key components have been recently updated for reliability and performance, including the AC compressor, NOx sensor, coolant temperature sensor, throttle position sensor, and idle air control valve. The vehicle is also registered with plates paid through April 2026, offering peace of mind for the new owner. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,000. This truck is a solid 4WD pickup that combines rugged capability with classic style. It is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering dependable performance both on and off the road. With approximately 137,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs well and handles as it should. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the Silverado maintains a bold and timeless appearance. While there is some visible rust in certain areas, as shown in the photos, the truck remains mechanically sound and continues to be a reliable driver. It runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission system originally noted, although it currently operates with a manual gearbox setup. Number 5. 1978 GMC Sierra, price $5,400. This truck is a true time capsule and all-original survivor that comes with its original California title, the factory window sticker, and complete paperwork from the dealership, including all original books and manuals. It shows just 23,443 miles on the dash, believed to be original, and was purchased directly from the first and only previous owner, an 87-year-old man who bought it brand new from the dealership in 1978. The truck has been meticulously preserved in stock condition, retaining all its factory components and character. Recently, the fuel tank was thoroughly cleaned and all fluids were replaced to keep it running smoothly. It starts easily, drives well, and reflects the kind of care and history that's becoming harder to find in classic trucks. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,499, with 142,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior boasts a clean gray color scheme that has been rated a perfect 10 out of 10 for its condition. Despite having a salvage title, the truck runs excellently and drives smoothly with no known issues. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, installation of trailer brakes, and tires that still have about 75% of their tread remaining. The paint is in great shape, rated at 8 out of 10, and overall, this Chevy stands out as a dependable and unique pickup with plenty of potential for daily driving or light hauling. Number 7. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,975. This truck is a solid, reliable pickup that combines classic American strength with a touch of custom style. With 146,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is equipped with a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and powerful performance. It runs and drives great, making it a dependable option for daily driving or weekend hauling. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, the truck has some minor paint imperfections that give it a bit of rugged charm and character. It has never been wrecked, which speaks to its well-maintained condition. The aftermarket exhaust system adds a deep, satisfying rumble to the driving experience, giving the truck a bold presence on the road. Powered by gasoline, it's a strong and capable vehicle that's ready for more miles ahead. Number 8. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,000. It has 190,000 miles and runs strong with its 5.8L gasoline engine and automatic transmission. The exterior is black, and the gray interior, featuring all captain seats, is in great shape for its age. The AC blows cold, the heater works well, and the truck is smog-ready with up-to-date tags. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump, timing chain cover, thermostat, and new upper and lower radiator hoses. It also has a 40K rated transmission cooler with 6 lines installed for better performance. The front windows are powered, and it comes with OEM wiring and panels to convert the rear windows to power. Overall, it's a solid, well-maintained pickup ready to drive. Number 9. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800. With just 74,000 miles on the odometer, it retains much of its original character while benefiting from a few tasteful upgrades. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent performance. The truck has been lowered for a more aggressive stance and enhanced road presence, while the dual exhaust system adds both a deep, rumbling tone and a touch of performance flair. Finished in a cool gray exterior, the body presents well and gives off an understated yet confident look. This C10 starts, runs, and drives, making it a great candidate for someone looking for a turnkey classic or a solid base for further customization. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500. It features a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic Chevrolet power. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior sports a blue color scheme, giving it a bold and timeless look. This truck runs on gasoline. Several important maintenance upgrades have already been completed, including a new alternator, new fuel pump, new serpentine belt, new steering pump, new battery, and both front and rear shocks. Although it's an older truck and may need some work, it still runs and drives well. According to the owner, it has been taken on 5 trips to Mexico without ever having an issue, thanks to consistent upkeep such as regular oil changes and air filter replacements.